Alright YouTube, here's a quick little repair video I'm doing on this Kawasaki Prairie 300. It's got a pretty bad exhaust leak right at the header. So I've got a new gasket and new little keepers here. There's your part numbers if you want them. It's the exhaust pipe collar and then the exhaust pipe gasket. And what we're working on here, I've already loosened up the 12mm at the back that holds the muffler to the exhaust pipe here. And you can see just in the center there, right there, there's two 12mm bolts holding that manifold on there, or header pipe, down pipe, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm just sneaking in there with this long extension with a 12mm and getting on there and loosening them. So you can see I just barely get on there, and I got my extension all the way out to here. If you have the four-wheel drive model, it might be a little different story. You might have to work at it from underneath, but from underneath you can't get to that upper bolt right there. See, I can just barely get to both of them from this location. And so all I'm going to do is loosen these up till the thing's about to fall off of there. And I'm going to get underneath the bike, reach up through the bottom, and put that new copper washer in there and those two new pieces. Because what's happened is the copper washer, I guess, wore out or something. The two pieces that were in there wore out too. Let me see if I can find them real quick. Here's the original ones that were on it. See how they're all carboned up from the exhaust leaking. But see the wear on them compared to the new ones. New ones are a little thicker too, I think. So they should work pretty well. I had tried just making some of these out of a piece of pipe. Right here. Which it worked. It did help a little, but it didn't have a gasket, so it still had an exhaust leak. I figured if I'm going to change the gasket, I may as well put what's supposed to be on there, because this brass won't last forever. But it made it, for a short time. So I'm going to pop those bolts out, pull the header down, put the new copper washer in there, put the header pipe back in there, put those two little things on either side of it so they fit over the pipe like this. They fit over it like that, with that side going into the engine. This flat side hits that little keeper that the bolts go through. So that's just a quick little update on this four-wheeler. It's not so much a repair. If you need to know how to fix it, this is the video. So comment, rate, subscribe. Have an awesome day.